Canned tomatoes also pose a risk. In some countries, the cans contain bisphenol A, BPA, a toxic chemical that can leach into food, especially when it comes to acidic products like tomatoes. This substance has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, so it is recommended to choose fresh or organic tomatoes. Hydrogenated oils are liquid oils that have been chemically treated to make them solid, thus extending the shelf life of foods. However, consuming these oils alters cell membranes, which increases the risk of developing cancer, especially breast cancer in women. White flour, which has been stripped of its natural nutrients and bleached with chlorine, also negatively impacts health. Its high glycemic index raises blood sugar and insulin levels, which has been linked to an increased risk of breast cancer, among others. Alcohol, although primarily known for its impact on the liver, has also been identified as a carcinogen. Scientists have shown that excessive alcohol consumption increases the risk of several types of cancer, including those of the mouth, throat, breast, and intestine. Pickled foods, while they contain beneficial probiotics, are also high in salt, which has been linked to an increased risk of stomach cancer. A Turkish study found that patients with stomach cancer consumed more pickled foods than those without the disease. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, such as corn, have also been identified as potential causes of cancer, although this has not yet been fully confirmed. However, it has long been suspected that their consumption could have negative effects on human health. Artificial sweeteners, such as saccharin and aspartame, have been widely studied. Although they don't seem to pose an immediate risk when consumed in small quantities, studies on animals have shown that excessive consumption of these products could increase the risk of developing cancer, such as lymphoma and leukemia. Diet products, loaded with salt, artificial flavors, and colorants, are also under scrutiny for their relationship to cancer. Low-fat foods and diet drinks may seem healthy, but the chemicals they contain can have harmful long-term effects on health. Finally, the consumption of dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt could be linked to an increased risk of ovarian, prostate, and breast cancer. While more research is needed to confirm this connection, there are already indications that the high calcium content in these products could be problematic. Remember, these are just a few of the foods you should avoid to reduce your risk of cancer. Share this video, give it a like, and subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss out on more useful information on how to improve your health. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and recent research has shown that some of the foods we regularly consume may be linked to its development, making it even more crucial to be aware of what we eat on a daily basis, to protect our health in the best possible way. It is possible that as you watch this video, you might be eating one of these foods. We invite you to stay until the end of the video to discover all the details about these cancer-causing foods that could be affecting your well-being, and how to avoid them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more useful and relevant content on how to effectively improve your health. One of the main enemies of health is refined sugar, also known as white poison, as it provides very few nutrients to the body and also depletes essential vitamins and minerals. This type of sugar has been linked to the development and proliferation of cancer cells in the body, fueling their uncontrolled growth. Sodas are another food that you should avoid. Their taste, although refreshing, is achieved through a mixture of sugars, colorants, and chemicals that increase acidity in the body, which creates an environment conducive to cancer. A study suggests that a type of sugar found in sodas, fructose, is linked to pancreatic cancer. Additionally, the chemical 4-methylimidazole, found in some sodas, has been identified as a potential carcinogen. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and ham, are treated with chemicals to enhance their flavor and prolong their shelf life, but these additives have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. According to the World Health Organization, consuming just 4 slices of bacon a day can increase the risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. These meats are dangerous, and it is recommended to reduce their consumption as much as possible. Red meats have also been studied by the World Health Organization, which has indicated that frequent consumption of these meats could be linked to the development of cancer in the colon, prostate, and pancreas. Eating red meat occasionally is acceptable, but consuming it daily significantly increases the risk. Although microwave popcorn is considered a healthy snack due to its fiber, potassium, and iron content, the bags in which it is cooked contain chemicals that, when heated, break down into substances linked to liver and pancreatic cancers. Additionally, some added flavors can cause severe respiratory illnesses. Fruits that have not been properly washed, or that have been exposed to pesticides in the fields, also pose a danger. Pesticides have been associated with various types of cancer. Fruits such as apples, strawberries, and peaches contain high levels of these chemicals, so it is important to consume organic products whenever possible. French fries and potato chips are also on the list of dangerous foods. Cooking them at high temperatures leads to the formation of acrylamide, a chemical compound classified as a carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. This risk is exacerbated when French fries are consumed regularly. Farmed salmon, although popular due to its richness in omega-3 fatty acids, is not the best choice for health. Salmon raised under such conditions is often affected by health problems due to overcrowding and the addition of artificial colorants to improve its appearance. It is always better to opt for wild salmon.